How to make the dreamy look. Today's video is sponsored by my favorite hero. Open your clip in the Fusion page and add a merge node. Bring a displace node in empty space, connect your clip to this and drag it to the left viewer. Add an invert node in empty space, connect your clip to this, and then to the green point of the displace. Select the displace node, and adjust the refraction strength slider and the spread slider. Bring a blur node after, and increase the blur slider. Connect it to the merge node as a foreground. Select the merge node and change the apply mode to screen. Go back to the displace node and adjust the refraction slider to change the glow effect inwards or outwards. Adjust the blur node to set the size of the glow. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, subscribe and close your eyes.